In this video, I'm going to install this ANDERY phone mount right here on my car. So first thing I'm going to do per the instructions is I'm going to take the wet wipe and I'm going to clean this off really quickly. And it says to give it about 10 swipes no matter what. So I'm just going to make sure that this area is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to take the dry cloth and clean it off really nicely as well. So let me go ahead and grab that dry cloth and clean that off. And you just want to make sure that this surface is very clean, free of dust, free of debris. And my car is a little bit older, so I got to clean it a little bit more. Now once it's all clean, I'm just going to peel this off here, and then I'm going to line it up. I'm going to mount it right there, and then I'm going to give it a little twist and just lock it right into place. So nice and locked in, and now I can adjust this how I want it. I can also twist this and bring it down. So I'm going to grab my phone real quick just to see how all this works together. And there you go. I can now grab my phone, and I'll probably get it into position first and then be able to set it up the way I want to. So I'll probably do something like this and set it up that way. So yeah, that works pretty good for the way that I like my phone to be mounted. So there you go. And it says leave this on for about 12 hours for it to fully take effect, and then you can use it. But I just wanted to test it out. So yeah, overall, pretty good looking little setup here, and I hope that helps.